A Missouri law involving registered sex offenders and Halloween changed this year. In our legal lens, the Power of Two's Jeff Bernthal asked Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNairy what the current law states.
I know there's been a lot of talk about it this year, Andrea. I guess, what does the law say in terms of anyone on a sex offender registry and Halloween?
So starting in 2008, Missouri passed a law that basically says sex offenders cannot go outside to interact with children on Halloween. They can't have their outside lights on. And then they were required to post a sign stating no candy and no treats at their home on Halloween night. Due to a federal court ruling earlier this month, the law is enforceable still, except the part where they were required to put a sign. So starting this Halloween, sex offenders will no longer be required to put that sign out in their yard that says no candy or treats.
When it comes to these sex offender registries, I guess, what puts a person on that list?
So there's really a number of crimes they have to have had pled guilty to or been convicted of and found guilty. So kidnapping a child, sexual abuse of a nursing home resident, endangerment of a child, promoting prostitution, pornography, sexual exploitation of a minor. Any of those offenses can cause the being convicted of one of these very serious offenses. And if it's a misdemeanor offense, you have to be on that sex offender registration list for 15 years. If it's a tier 2 offense, that is a felony, you have to be on it for 25 years. And if it's a tier 3, a forcible felony, you are required to be on it for a lifetime registration.
And I know there are some people who feel that they've been wrongly placed on that list. I guess, is there a legal path they can take if they want to try to have their name removed?
There is. So mistakes happen, right? So to remove a name from a sex offender registry, after the time period outlined above, the offender can file a petition to the county circuit court where the offense happened. Now, the prosecutor obviously will have an opportunity to contest, present evidence, present witness testimony, but that is the path you could go through to get your name removed. For tier 3 offenders, the forcible felonies, their name will never be removed unless they actually committed the crime while they're a child. And even then, only after it's been on for 25 years.
Brown and Crouppen's Andrea McNairy with our legal lens. Andrea, thank you very much.
You're so welcome.
Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.